Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Paper Art. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm showing you some different ideas of Amigurumi crochet dolls. These are very amazing and adorable, easy to make. You can also watch more videos like this in my YouTube channel. There are also crochet doll patterns available in YouTube. You can search easily with the name Amigurumi crochet dolls, and then if you watch my video, please subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for updates and notifications. You can also watch more videos like this and others. Please share it to your friends and family. You can ask any question about this video in comment section. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz viewers.